Shipping lines today face many challenges to maintain profitability. Here we explore and offer a couple of tips to ensure a healthy operating margin. For shipping lines, environmental concerns are broad and cover emissions reduction, improved fuel use, environmental impact of new builds, and implementing energy-saving technology. Running auxiliary engines in port to create onboard power raises fuel costs and creates emissions that affect health and the environment for passengers, crew, dock workers, and local residents. A shore-to-ship electric power supply helps eliminate these emissions, as well as particle discharge, noise, and vibration. Quite simply, a ship shuts down its engines while berthed and plugs into an onshore power source. The power load is seamlessly transferred to the shoreside power supply with no disruption to onboard services. Here we see the largest energy consumers on board ships. These applications are often over-dimensioned to handle the most extreme conditions, operating at full capacity even when demand is not high. Flow control uses mechanical devices like bypass valves and dampers, which lead to inefficiencies in the system. But there is a more energy-efficient option, the variable speed drive. Drives can reduce energy use by 50% with payback from fuel savings alone in less than 1 year. But how do we know where to find suitable applications that can benefit from energy-saving technologies? ABB's Marine Energy Appraisal Service is the answer.
An onboard energy appraisal survey results in a report that shows the comparison between the power consumption and the power demand. Typical findings of the report may show that the vessel has been designed for the worst case climate conditions, the motors fitted to large fans and pumps run at a fixed speed only. This means that the current system may be wasting up to 70% of the energy it consumes. Cost-efficient, proven technology to reduce emissions and save energy does exist. It just isn't being implemented rapidly enough to realise the benefits. The reasons for the slow uptake are many, but in my experience include organisational awareness, lack of time, shortage of competence, and no long-term energy strategy.
Also available from ABB is an energy monitoring and management tool, affectionately known as EMMA. EMMA can make a big impact on fuel cost reduction. It is highly developed software running on ordinary PCs on board and ashore and optimizes energy-related processes, practices and decisions from engine room to the boardroom. EMMA helps ABB's trained consultant support staff on board and on shore to interpret information, identify improvement areas, set targets and coach staff in running vessels more efficiently.
Faced with current and anticipated legislation, increasing customer environmental awareness and significant fuel cost rises, there has never been a better time for the senior management of shipping companies to rationalise their fleet energy use.
To discover all the facts and more ways to make your business profitable, visit www.abb.co.uk/marine.